All right, so we got a lot of comments regarding the flag on the General Lee, whether or not we're going to keep it. And honestly, it's 2026. We should probably rip it off because this day and age, there's no reason to leave a flag on here like this when it's got wrinkles all over it that the last guy screwed up. So we'll go ahead and get her torn off there and replace her with a brand new one. Should look great.
I'm trying to draw the white line in the dark of the night. I should have took a left turn, but it worked out right. Nothing up ahead of me and some dust behind. Where this car breaks down, probably be my home tonight. I coast into an old house at the end of the road. Places my mind takes me, but my car wouldn't go. A little shot of honey jack, and I wait for the rush. Try and put two and two together, figure out where I was. Down on Pucker Bus Road.